Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing. If needed, use some force. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF2962 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. When reinstalling the housing cover, slide it down and flush it with the filter to slide the bottom tabs into their catch. The fasteners will not fully re-engage unless the tabs are inside the catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.